This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain guacamole. This delicious dip adheres to Jain dietary principles by omitting root vegetables like onions and garlic. We focus on fresh, vibrant ingredients to create a rich and satisfying flavor. You'll learn how to select the best avocados and combine them with other fresh produce for a truly authentic taste. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and flavorful snack. For our Jain guacamole, start with 2 or 3 ripe-ass avocados. They should feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. You'll also need 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, finely chopped, and about 1/2 cup of diced ripe tomatoes. For a little kick, consider adding 1 or 2 finely minced green chilies, like serrano or jalapeno, if you enjoy some heat. First, have your avocados, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a mixing bowl. Mash them with a fork or potato masher until you reach your preferred consistency, whether chunky or smooth. Next, fold in your finely chopped tomatoes, cilantro, and any green chilies. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and season generously with salt to taste, mixing everything well. Your delicious Jain guacamole is best enjoyed fresh. Serve it right away with your favorite corn chips, vegetable sticks, or as a topping for other dishes. If you have any leftovers, cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to minimize air exposure, which helps prevent browning. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it should stay fresh for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.